Itang bitiara masukata si pamansima Lano di dan liwatan
That is why the work of the Filipino-American Historical Society is so vital to preserve our narratives, to reclaim our voices, and to ensure the future generation will not only remember where we come from, but understand why we must continue to tell our story.